In the background there is Canoe Creek. So been up there many times, and I'm actually heading into a river that I haven't seen before on today's journey. So, well, for the rest of this 3 days. So I'm really looking forward to this. Interesting to see what there is to look at. It's going to be a riding the wake kind of a day today, I think. Oh well. Only 20 k's to do today, so really quite looking forward to it. I wonder what that is up there. Just a perfect day to be out. It's amazing. I don't feel like paddling today. Day 3 is hard. Day 3 is always hard. I never feel like doing whatever it is I'm doing. So either paddling or hiking. I just don't ever feel like it on day 3. Probably around lunchtime I'll feel better. I could just sit here in the sun all day. It's gorgeous. Anyway, that's not getting me further along the river, so let's give it a go and I'll just keep putting one paddle in front of the other. Okay, well, today's been a fairly uneventful day. Been seeing a lot of the same sort of river. Heaps and heaps of campers on the public lands. So I've paddled 19 kilometres today. So I've gone as far as I felt that I needed to today, and it's about 3:20. So I've been looking for a campsite for the last 15 minutes, and nothing's really popped out as desirable. I don't think I'm going to find a desirable one tonight. There's some crown land, or it looks like crown land, on the left hand side of the river, so that side, coming up, so that's in about a kilometre or 2. So I shall have a look there, because the vacant land that's on this side of the river has quite high edges. I could manage to get up them if I really wanted to, but gosh, a sandy beach would be nice. Just a little one, just enough to get out on without slimy shoes. Oh well. I would like to find a spot soon. I'd like to dry my tent out, get a fire going, and just have a nice cruisy evening. Oh, another big day. You know, how I started the day thinking I'm only going to do 20 Ks at the most. You know, finish at 3:30, have a nice, relaxed afternoon camping. Yeah, that didn't happen. So I got in, found a campsite at 10 to 5 again. I must admit, one of the reasons I did keep going today was because I had a lovely tailwind. It was only, I think, 12 kilometres an hour. It wasn't very strong, but it was pushing me in the right direction. And I know that tomorrow it's turning around and going the exact opposite direction. So I'll be pushing into a headwind for most of tomorrow. Oh, golly. So not sure how far I'm actually going to get tomorrow, but there's no rush. It's only, I think I worked it out, it's 34 kilometres to Kingston on Murray, or maybe that's to Overland Corner, not sure. I don't know, I'll check it out in the morning. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm tired. Okay. It is time for sleep. I'll see you in the morning.